Unit 5, Part A. Activity 5B. Listen, check, and repeat. 1. An uncle. 2. An aunt. 3. A house. 4. An egg. 5. A child. 6. A wallet. 7. A purse. 8. An umbrella. 9. A car. 10. An ant. 11. An hour. 12. A week. 13. An eraser. 14. An air conditioner. 15. A television. 16. A board. 17. A chair. 18. A uniform. 19. A bicycle. 20. An apple. Unit 5, Part B, Activity 1A. Listen to the short conversation. Write the things the woman has in her bag in your notebook.
Hello, ma'am. How can I help you?
Hello, I need some help. I was washing my hands in the restroom and put my bag on the sink. After I was done, I picked up my shopping bags but left my bag on that sink. I just went by to check, but it's gone.
Okay, ma'am. Which restroom was it? On which floor?
It's the one on the second floor.
We've got two restrooms on the second floor. Do you remember which one?
I think that restroom is closer to those exit stairs.
Okay. What time were you in there?
About 2:15. About 30 minutes ago.
Alright, just a couple more questions. Can you describe what your bag looks like and what you have got in it?
Yes, my bag's blue and it's got a big white flower print on it. I think I've got my glasses, a purse, small notebook, a mobile phone, and my house keys.
Okay, noted. We will contact our security team to check the cameras and get back to you. Is there any number we can contact you by?
Yes, this is my husband's phone number. Let me write it down for you.
Unit 5, Part B, Activity 4. Listening. Listen to 3 short conversations. Write the answers in your notebook. Conversation 1.
Johnny, did you see my keys anywhere? I can't find them.
Wait a minute. Are these the keys you're looking for?
No, honey. Those are my office keys. I'm looking for our house keys.
Have you checked your bag, Mom?
Yes, but I've only got my purse and phone in my bag. Can you please go and check in the kitchen for me, in case I left them there?
Sure. Mom, your keys aren't in the kitchen. Did you check the bathroom?
Not yet. Let me go now. Jenny, I found my keys. You are right. I left them near the bathroom sink when I washed my hands.
Conversation 2.
Wow, Casal, I can see you've got a new camera.
Oh, no, it isn't mine. This is my dad's camera. I just borrowed it from him.
I see. It looks really cool. Why did you bring this camera here today?
Oh, because our coach said he wanted to take some photos during our practice today. But his professional camera is broken. So I told him I could bring my dad's camera for him to use.
Conversation 3.
Hi, how can I help you?
Oh, hello. I'm looking for some umbrellas. It's rainy season soon, and I want to get some new umbrellas for my children.
Oh, we have so many here. How about these umbrellas?
I think they're too big for their bags. Have you got anything smaller?
Sure. Wait for a moment, please. What about these? Do you like them? The colors are really nice, too.
Perfect. I'll get 2. 1 in blue and 1 in orange, please.